This is why you need CLAWBOT in your video editing toolkit. Stop wasting time on busy work. Start automating it. Here's how I use CLAWBOT every single day. So, what is CLAWBOT? Imagine your smartest coworker, but it's an AI at your command, ready to handle your Mac from anywhere, even your phone or Apple Watch. Here are the must-know use cases. First, automate your daily editing checklist. CLAWBOT pings you with what needs to get done every morning. Second, upload rough cuts to ClickUp or Notion. No extra steps. Third, let CLAWBOT triage sponsorship emails, draft replies, and keep your inbox clean. Fourth, set it to check your website links or YouTube stats without lifting a finger. Fifth, voice message. CLAWBOT tasks on the go. Yep, even from your watch. Sixth, automate repetitive browser actions like downloading assets or posting updates. Seventh, keep your Mac running and accessible anywhere, anytime. And eighth, CLAWBOT can literally become your project manager, keeping all your deadlines and tasks on track. Ready to supercharge your editing? Hit like and check the description for my full CLAWBOT setup guide.